Is beer battered fish halal to consume? Some scholars say that alcohol is not najis and during the cooking process the alcohol is cooked out of it, but some say otherwise. Regarding the question that can you have beer battered fish, it is you cook fish in beer or in alcohol so that the taste is better and it's cooked better. So is beer battered fish halal? Because alcohol is consumed, it evaporates and alcohol is not najis, etc. Regarding alcohol is najis or not, there is difference of opinion, but surely you cannot consume alcohol. Allah says clearly in the Quran in Surah Ma'idah chapter 5 verse number 90, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, O you believe, innamal khamru wal maisuru, most certainly intoxicants and the gambling, dedication of stones, divination of arrows, rijsum min amali shaitan, these are Satan's handiwork. Fajtanibu la'allakum tuflihun, abstain from him that you may prosper. So this verse of the Quran is very clear that alcohol is prohibited. Regarding your question, that if the alcohol is evaporated, so is it allowed, not allowed? Yes, we know that. And there is a fatwa of Ibn Taymiyyah also. For example, if you pour alcohol in a lake, the full lake water does not become haram because the alcohol is mixed. And once it is mixed in the lake, the percentage is not there at all. There is no evidence of color of the alcohol in the lake. There is no evidence of odor of alcohol in the lake. There is no evidence of taste. When you taste the water of the lake, it is 0.0001%. So if you pour a bottle of alcohol in the lake water, the whole lake water does not become haram. So based on this, we know that if it's diluted and the color is not there, the taste is not there, the odor is not there, it is permitted. So Ibn Taymiyyah gave the fatwa, yes, but that does not mean that you can use alcohol in cooking. And if you read the fatwa of Sheikh Muhammad Salih Al-Uthaymeen, he has said that yes, if it evaporates and not there, it is fine, but that does not mean you can add alcohol as a cooking medium. It is not permitted because our Prophet is very clear cut. The Prophet said anything which intoxicates in large quantity is even prohibited in small quantity. So when you are using alcohol in cooking purposely, it is not permitted. It is haram. So you cannot add beer or alcohol for cooking and then say the beer evaporates. No, that's not permitted. We are talking about alcohol poured in a lake water, that is different. But you cannot use alcohol for cooking because most of the time some remains will be there. But even if it's not there, it is not correct to use it as a medium for cooking. It's haram. So beer battered fish is not permitted and it is not permitted for you to have it. It's haram. Hope that answers the question.